Welcome to A Dash of Clive, and we're making strip fries.
We're making Mama's stir fry.
Oh, stir fry. I thought it was strip fry. That part was my fault. Yeah, so we're making stir fry. You gotta remember to clean your produce, especially your hands. Speaking of hands, I gotta roll up my sleeves. Today I'm making a very special meal for a very special person in my life, my mom. Some people ask me how I'm a young carer. This is one of the ways I am. So here's the single burner, and this is what we're gonna use. Peppers, broccoli, and mushrooms, island soyaki, olive oil, finally, ghee. Those are all the things we need. Oh, and to save some time, we're using Trader Joe's frozen rice. Let's get started! First, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of ghee in this pan. A tablespoon of olive oil. Now I'm just gonna let oil and ghee dance.
All the veggies and
Peppers are fruit, remember?
are they?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they have seeds. All fruit have seeds, but you may think that tomatoes and pepper are fruit. If you said that peppers are fruit, you are correct. If you said that peppers are a vegetable, you didn't lose, you learned. My mama likes big peppers, but when they're big, she likes them cooked really well. So we'll saute them. Here's a tool that I like to use sometimes. A long skewer. You want to do it until you get nice looking grill marks on there. My mama loves grill marks. Now I'm going to toss in my veggies and my fungi. Get it? Fungi. We're just going to let that cook down for a moment, and we're going to make music. Let me tell you why I love ants. They just love sugar. Is Bernie like Trump?
They're on the opposite teams.
Let me tell you about my friend Luke. He taught me to do this. While that cooks down, I'm going to get my mom her medicine. Be right back. Back. I told my producer I think I need a microwave on set. How would you like that? Now back to cooking. Let me sprinkle some ghee. With ghee, it removes all the milk solid, so it's a little better for your tum-tum. And it's a sweet flavor too. It's good with pancakes. Alright, sounds good? So here we got my mom's steamed rice. So now you get your island soyaki. So we're just going to pour a tablespoon at a time. And lock those flavors in. That's the sound you are going for. I cracked myself up. There, now we're done. Now we just pour it on top of the rice. We gotta stir fry. We can only end this cooking channel after I get the chopsticks. All right, back. Broke apart? I don't know how to use chopsticks. Here it is, the stir fry. It looks so good to eat. Thanks for watching. Always subscribe. Bye.